Hey guys, Brad Danger here, and what is a luxury car if it turns into a nightmare the moment that the warranty expires? A luxury ride doesn't feel very luxurious when you're stranded waiting for a tow truck. Am I right? Today, we've rounded out 10 awesome used luxury cars that won't empty your wallet once you're out of warranty. These picks are ideal because they're comfy, they're classy, and they are built to last. In no particular order, but starting with my ideal favorite, here are the luxury cars you marry, not just date. Starting with the BMW 340i. When BMW rolled out the now legendary B58 Turbo Inline 6 in the F30 series, you know, the 340 and 4 series, the 440, they probably didn't even realize how bulletproof it would be. I mean, this thing was put into a Supra, for Christ's sakes. This is a BMW you can actually trust. The B58's closed deck block and forged internals give it diesel engine toughness, and its integrated water-to-air intercooler and smart thermal management keep it running cool. The result is a smooth, powerful inline 6 that lasts. Yes, it's still a BMW, so you might see a few oil sweats or need a new water pump someday, but these are small potatoes. Regular maintenance and good oil keep this engine humming for hundreds of thousands of miles. Plus, a simple tune can push it past 400 horsepower on stock internals. It's the perfect blend of classic BMW feel and modern reliability, usually in the mid-$20,000 range. If comfort and dependability is top of your list, the Lexus RX 350 is going to be your best friend. This midsize SUV is basically a Toyota in a designer suit. Its 3.5-liter V6 is simple, naturally aspirated, and proven. No turbos, no gimmicks, just a rock-solid motor that can easily outlive the body. Inside, it's whisper quiet and supremely comfortable. The ride's soft, the seats are supportive, and nothing ever feels fragile. The infotainment mouse control isn't great, but that's about the only flaw. The RX routinely tops reliability charts and holds its value absurdly well. Expect to find clean ones between $15,000 and $25,000. If you want luxury without drama, this is it. Guys, real quick, Rocky from New York already drove off with the first GTR and the bonus cash that changed his life. We literally flew him out here. He hung out with us for the whole weekend. We shipped his car back home to New York, and the dude had the time of his life. It genuinely changed everything for him. And now it's your turn. If you want a shot at winning your dream car plus bonus cash, hit the link in the pinned first comment right now. Now, back to the show. Yes, a reliable Mercedes actually does exist. The 2010 to 2016 E-Class, known as the W212, brought Mercedes back to its tank-like roots after the iffy 2000s years. It's solid, comfortable, and built to rack up serious mileage. Engines are stout, the V6 and V8 options hold up great, and the car ditched the fragile brake-by-wire system from its predecessor. Electrical gremlins, rare, air suspension leaks occasionally, but manageable. Overall, this generation nailed the mix of luxury and durability, and because depreciation hit them hard, nice examples often go for under $20,000. The W212 is that rare luxury sedan that feels timeless and lasts forever. If you need not two but three rows, well, in bulletproof reliability, the Acura MDX delivers in droves. Under the hood sits Honda's trusty 3.5-liter V6. Smooth, efficient, and capable of huge mileage. Properly maintained, these engines run for decades. Just keep up with the basics. Replace the timing belt every 90 to 100,000 miles. Adjust valves if needed, and change fluids regularly. Early 2000s models had weak transmissions, but the 2000s versions are rock solid. The MDX offers a plush ride, available SHAWD for bad weather, and loads of tech. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, comfortable, and perfect for families who plan to keep their SUV forever. Audi and reliability? They don't normally mix. It's like oil and water, but the 3-liter supercharged V6 changes that story forever, and it's one of my favorite motors ever made. Found in the Q5, SQ5, and S4, this engine is one of Audi's toughest. Owners report these things hitting 200,000 miles with little more than oil changes and the occasional water pump. The Q5 3.0T is quick, quiet, and built like a tank inside. It has quattro all-wheel drive, a smooth 8-speed automatic, and an interior that feels way more expensive than it costs used. The sedan version, the S4, uses the same engine and pairs it with a lightning-fast dual-clutch gearbox. Tune it if you want. It can handle more power. Just skip the smaller 2.0T versions that love to drink oil. The 3.0T is the one you keep. Okay, so you love the B58 engine, but you need more room. Well, I just bought one of these and I love it. The current BMW X5 with the 3-liter turbo 6, the xDrive 40i, gives you the same reliability in SUV form. It's powerful, smooth, and built to last. Consumer Reports gave it high marks for reliability starting in 2020, a big turnaround for BMW SUVs. The G05 feels genuinely high-end, quiet, refined, and incredibly comfortable. Yes, repair costs can still sting, but mechanical issues are rare. Once depreciation sets in, slightly used ones in the low $30,000 range are a killer deal. This X5 might finally be the BMW SUV you can confidently own long-term. Now, you guys know I also have a Porsche 911, and few sports cars combine excitement and dependability like a 911. The 2012 to 2019 991 generation perfected decades of refinement. Both the early naturally aspirated and later turbo engines are tough, and the PDK dual-clutch gearbox is nearly bulletproof. Unlike earlier 911s, there's no IMS or bore scoring drama here. Maintenance is pricey, sure, but big failures are rare. These cars thrive on being driven. Many owners daily drive them past 100,000 miles without issue. It's the supercar that acts like a Honda. You'll spend more on upkeep, but it'll reward you every single drive. All right, but you need more space and you like that Porsche DNA? Go Cayenne Pepper, specifically the second gen, 2011 to 2018. This SUV fixed the first gen's problems and became shockingly dependable for a performance luxury vehicle. Base models used a 3.6-liter V6, while the S-Trim got a naturally aspirated 4.8-liter V8. Both simple, tough engines. With regular maintenance, these easily top 150,000 miles. Air suspension, usually fine if serviced. The Cayenne's chassis is overbuilt for towing and off-roading, so it shrugs off abuse. Inside, it's all Porsche, high quality, driver focused, and built to last. Maintenance is expensive, but major breakdowns are rare. Whether you're hauling kids or carving mountain roads, the Cayenne delivers 911 vibes with SUV practicality. The Lexus GX 460, well, it's practically a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado with leather and chrome. What's not to like? Translation, unstoppable. Its 4.6-liter V8 is simple and nearly indestructible. No turbos, no direct injection, no nonsense. This truck-based SUV can tackle trails, tow heavy loads, and handle family life in style. Its 4WD system is legit off-road hardware, not a fancy crossover setup. Reliability, legendary. Problems are usually limited to small sensors or the occasional suspension component after years of hard use. Fuel economy isn't great, but that's the price of tank-level durability. GX owners are fanatical about these things for a reason. They just don't die. It's the perfect mix of rugged and refined, and it'll still be running long after most modern SUVs are scrap. And finally, a hidden gem, the Lexus GX 350. Don't sleep on this. Produced until 2020, it's one of the most dependable midsize luxury sedans ever made. Its 3.5-liter V6 is part of the same bulletproof engine family used across Toyota and Lexus for years. No turbos, no tricks, just smooth power and longevity. The GS 3500's drivetrain is nearly indestructible. Problems are rare beyond minor wear items. Inside, it's pure Lexus, quiet, beautifully built, and resistant to age. F-Sport models even add adaptive suspension and tighter steering, giving you a hint of BMW-like fun without BMW-like headaches. Because the GS was discontinued, prices have fallen. Low mileage examples in the mid-$20,000 range are steals. You get rear-wheel drive balance, Lexus reliability, and timeless comfort all in one. It's understated, elegant, and will outlast almost anything else in its class. Okay, so there you have it. 10 dependable used luxury cars that you can confidently own after the warranty's long gone. Each brings something different to the table. German performance, luxury precision from Japan, or just good old-fashioned over-engineering. But all of them can give you years of worry-free driving. So which one is your ideal pick? Or better yet, do you already own one that's racked up crazy miles without skipping a beat? Drop it in the comments down below. And if this actually helped you dodge a money pit, give it a share so someone else can avoid turning their dream car into a tow truck customer loyalty program. Thanks for watching. I'm Brad Danger. This is Ideal. Catch you next week, and like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and check out some of these Ideal vids over here. Oh, and promise me one thing. Keep living the Ideal lifestyle.